Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. May I introduce myself? My name is Rowena Jane Lubino Mejes, and I'm 30 years old. I am not married, but I have a living partner. I have only one son, and he is 7 years old now. I am Roman Catholic. My body height is 153 centimeter, and my weight is 59 kilograms. I came from Silang, Cavite, Philippines. I've been work abroad in Kuwait for 3 years and 10 months as a domestic helper. My main duty is to look after the kids. Their age is 15, 13, 11, 6, and 2. But of course, I do cooking, laundry, household cleaning, marketing, and of course to take care of the kids. For the reason that I want to work in Hong Kong is to provide my family needs, but of course for the future of my son. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am trustworthy, nice, and hardworking person. I will respect and honor for the 2 years contract and I'm signing, and I will promise that I will never break my contract. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Hoping to see you soon. God bless. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you.